In this video, I'll show you how to add a GIF to a Mailchimp email step by step. To begin, navigate to Mailchimp and make sure you're logged in to your account. Next, go to the Campaigns section from the left-hand menu, click Create in the top right corner, and select Create Email. Now, choose how you'd like to design your email. You can start from scratch, use a basic layout, choose a pre-built template, or even use HTML. For this tutorial, we'll use a template. Select your template, and once the email editor opens, drag and drop the image content block into the location where you want to add your GIF. Next, upload your GIF file. Make sure the file size is under 10 megabytes before uploading. After the GIF is uploaded, you can adjust its size, alignment, style, and other available settings to match the design of your email. Once you're happy with the result, save your changes and continue with your campaign. And that's how you can add a GIF to a Mailchimp email.